we've got to stick together. We've lost 1 in 6. That was away to Holland, a good performance, but we lost. Boys are doing well in the rankings. We've won the first qualifier. We're home in the next one. And do you know what? The following we brought here was magnificent. They stood behind the players. It was a great turnout from our supporters. At the end of the day, it was all smiles. We won the game. In the main, he couldn't get into the flow of it. Neither could Rambo, because the pitch wouldn't allow him to do that. You know, we looked at the formation and changed it, and one reason was we thought pitches like that you can't dribble on it because it's too sticky. So that's why we put him down the middle. One reason. He scored 2 goals, and the second one was, I've said earlier, there's not many players on the planet that can score a goal like that. You know, when the pressure's on, time's ticking, 1-1, and then wallop, and absolutely magnificent. But then the rest of the lads also, they stuck at it. They stuck at their jobs. The other lads stuck at their task. Even when our passes weren't coming off, we weren't making loads of chances. We found it difficult to break them down. We had 10 men behind the ball. But then we said we scored the first minute or the last, doesn't matter. It was only 3 points. I think it says a lot about our players and the team, about the character. Because it was a tough one tonight for us. Big expectations. You know, we got the 3 points, and that's the main thing.